When I was a student, my teachers always talked about the importance of practice. Practice your writing, they said. But what do we do with all these pieces of writing? Were they any good? Now with tools like ChatGPT, can we check and improve our essays?
Imagine you have written an IELTS Task 2 essay.
So I put an essay and then I'm gonna ask for the band score. It already has given me some detailed feedback. So overall is band score of 7. Now, I'll ask it to revise the essay. Here is the final version. And you can also see the feedback. So, what do you think? I think it's pretty accurate in terms of the overall band score. I personally thought it was a 7.5, but what I liked about it was that it can give me feedback instantly. If you ask for an example of a band 8 essay, you can compare it to your own. This comparison is really useful. If you want more detailed feedback, you can ask for it. It can also correct some grammar and vocabulary mistakes, but I wouldn't recommend copying everything as it can sound mechanical. So, if you want to use ChatGPT, here are my 3 tips on using it to improve your writing and get feedback. Tip 1. Provide clear prompts. When asking ChatGPT for help, make sure your prompts are clear and specific. For example, instead of asking, "Help me with my essay," you could use these prompts. You are an experienced IELTS examiner. Mark this essay using the IELTS band descriptors for task 2 and give me a band score. Please give me detailed feedback on why this essay is a 6.5 and give me tips to improve it. Please revise this into a band 8 essay. So using clear prompts will give you more useful and relevant responses. Tip 2. Compare and analyze. Once you get feedback from ChatGPT, take the time to compare your essay to the feedback provided. Look at the differences. Why is one version better than the other? Does it use better collocations or more complex grammatical structures? Does it answer the question more precisely? Does it use more effective linking devices? After this analysis, either rewrite your original essay or use the feedback to improve your next one. Tip 3. Try not to rely on it completely. Even though ChatGPT can give you excellent feedback, it's still important to talk to a teacher, consult with a teacher if you can. A teacher can provide useful insights and advice that a machine can't. So, use ChatGPT as a tool for self-study and improvement, but don't rely on it completely. Seek feedback from a teacher as well. Try it now. Find an essay and submit it. Let us know if you found it useful or not. For more helpful videos, please follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy learning! Go? Okay.
That's what 3, 2, 1 means, yeah?
Right.